Hey everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. Today we are going to explore something really exciting, face sensing using facial expression. Here in this session, you will see how a computer can detect your face, understand your different expressions, and then it shows emotions using emojis, just like smile, frown, or you look surprised. Then you watch the emoji can change instantly. This project will help you to understand face detection, express recognition, and real-time interaction using AI. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends to learn more fun coding, Scratch, and AI projects with us. Let's begin our amazing journey with face sensing at Codex Academy. So first, I'll open the Google and in which I will going to search for race playground. So I will type race playground. You can see over here. Okay, I just clicked on it and now I will open into new tab. Yes. So this is the home page of race playground. Now we are going to open our playground. So we click over here. Okay, so you can see the race playground is here. Now here first we'll go to extension. Okay, and here I will take face sensing extension because we are going to see our different face expression, and according to that how AI will read our different face expression and give the result. Okay, now you can see when I just click on that, automatically camera is on. You can check which camera you are going to select over here in drop down, and I select this one and I will click on allow while visit this site. Okay, and you can see my camera is on. Okay, now what I want here, I don't want this sprite, so I'll just delete this, and here I will going to upload some emojis. Okay, so click on upload. So these are my emojis. Okay, first I'll select one emoji is here, that angry I will select. Okay, this is the angry face, right? And now I'll go to costume, and here rest of the emojis I will upload. So I will go to upload costume, and here rest of the 3 emojis I will upload. Okay, you can see all the 4 emojis are here. If you want the same emoji faces, you can get in the description, so you can download it and use. Not only for the face expression, also you can create different kind of games while we use this extension. Okay, now I'll go back to code, and here you can see my video is quite blur. Why? If you will see here, that block set video transparency is 250. If I'll take this block and if I'll make it 0, and then if I'll click, you can see it's completely transparent, right? And if you don't want to show your expression, so you can make the transparency 100, then you can see it's completely clear, right? Okay, now I will make it 50 first. Okay, right? And now I'll go to costume and make it centralize my all costumes. First this one. Okay, make it centralize here. This one also. This and this. Okay, now go to code, make it go to 0x0y. Take when green flag, click, it come to the center, right? Now what I want according to my face expression, all the emojis should be show, right? For that, first I'm going to control and take forever loop. Okay, and then I will select if condition, and in this I will select here the different expression. First, expressing smile. If I express smile, then what should happen? It show the smile costume, right? So for that I will go to costume and take switch costume to happy. Okay, first we'll see how it is working. Like I just click on the green flag. Oh wow, you can see the smiley according to my face expression, the emoji get changed, right? Okay, but for the other, I have not given the instructions till now. So the first is working. Only for the smile we have given. So according to that, you can see how easily AI can recognize, read our face, and according to that, it give the result, right? Amazing. Now what we are going to do, I will just make it stop and duplicate this code. I will duplicate 4 times because I have taken 4 emojis. Okay. And now I will change the expression over here and then according to that the different costume. So first smile is done. Now I want anything you can take, like I will take mouth open, so it will show my shocked face. Okay, let's try. Oh my god, it's working. See? Wow, very nicely the AI recognized my face expression. Good. Now we'll try for other expression, like for anger. I will make my eyebrow raise. Let's try this. Okay. And here I will take angry. Okay. Let's click. Oh my god. Turn into a smile. My god. So fast. It's recognized my face. Now the last one, I will make it sad. For that, what kind of expression I can choose? I will choose eyelid tighten like this. And for this, I will choose sad. And let's check. It's showing sad face. Very good. See how easily it can recognize the face, right? When I open my mouth, it shows shocked. When I close my eyes like this, it shows sad face. And if I open again, it shows. And if I raise my eyebrows like this, it show angry face. And if I smile, yes. So you can see how beautifully AI can read our face and according to that give the result. Here you can see the multiple expressions of face you can select and according to that you can give the command to your sprite. And also we have one more block in the face sensing where you can directly select according to the different expressions. Like here if you want to show the feeling, for that you can select the feeling also. Like here I will replace the expressing block and I will make it duplicate this block and place it all side. Okay, and here also. Now for happy I will take the feeling joyful. For the shocked I will take fearful, and for the anger I will take angry only, and for the sad I will take sad. So this is directly take your face expressions and it will recognize, and on the basis of that you will get the result according to the command you give to your sprite. Okay, do you want to see the effect? Okay, I just click on the green flag and you will see. See how easily it's recognized the face expression. Now, see, I'm speaking also, but I'm smiling. That's why it shows smile face. And if I'll show shocked big eyes, so it shows like shock effect. And if I'll show eyebrow rise, so it shows anger effect. And if I'll make it sad face, and do you want to see the shocked effect? Wow, see how easily the AI can read your face and it can change the expression accordingly, right? So this is all about how easily we can use this face expression, and according to that we can give the command to our sprite with the help of our different face expression, and we can make different stories, games and animations with that, right? I hope you like and understand this video. If you like, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.